Are your shoes looking a little rough? Well, I'm going to show you how to properly shine them, so stay right there. Hey guys, Erin here with Wardrobe Hackers, and today we're talking about how to properly shine your shoes. We all have shoes in our closet that are looking a little dingy, so shining them up just makes them look brand new again, and it also sets you apart from someone else. So let's start with the Shoeshine Kit. If you're a beginner, you're going to just want to, buy yourself a Shoeshine Kit. This one is actually from Kiwi, and it's roughly under $15, and you can find it off of Amazon. So let's talk about what comes in the Shoeshine Kit. First off, you are going to get 2 tins of this shoe polish. This is actually a black polish. Now, if you are going to be polishing brown shoes, you're going to want to make sure you have a brown polish. And I also suggest using different brushes for your brown shoes. Okay, the next thing that comes in your Shoeshine Kit is going to be this 100% horsehair brush. It's just going to help get off any of the excess polish once you shine your shoes. Then you have the dauber. Now, this is what you're going to use to, put the shoe shine on and get it cleaned up. And then you've got your shine rag, and you're going to use this at the very end to get them really extra shiny. Okay, so let's start. First off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find a hard surface. You're not going to want to do this on carpet because the polish can get into the carpet fibers and you are just not going to get them up. So I've got a hard surface here on this table, and I've put some newspaper down so it's not going to stain the table. And I'm going to start with, these are my husband's shoes. As you can tell, they're looking kind of nasty, and we're going to shine them up. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get off any debris or any oils that get on the shoe. So I'm going to use this horsehair brush. I'm just going to go around, make sure you get into the seams, get anything and everything off. So I'm going to do one shoe shined, and then I'm going to leave the other shoe alone so you can just kind of see the difference what happens. It's really nice to, when you go to a wedding or you go to a special event or just even going to the office to have your shoes nice and clean. All right, so we're going to start with our polish here. This is just a nice black polish, and you're going to want to put on a good amount on it, and you're going to want to make sure that you put a lot. Make sure you get into the seams, and you're going to just, do circular motions with your dauber. All right, once we're done doing that, we're going to let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to use our horsehair brush to vigorously really get off any excess polish. So hold on right there, we'll be back. Okay, we're back. It's been 15 minutes, and our shoe is now dry. And something that I didn't say in the last step was make sure when you're applying the shoe shine that you're applying it evenly so that it gets, covered the whole shoe correctly. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do now is we're going to buff this shoe. We're going to get all this excess polish off using our 100% horsehair brush, and you're going to want to do this really pretty vigorously, and you're going to want to use your wrist. Really get in there and get everything off. Okay, once you're done with this, you're going to want to take your shine cloth, and sometimes this is easier to do when you're wearing your shoe. These are my husband's shoes, so obviously I cannot fit into them, so I'm going to try my best to clean them with this shine brush, or shine cloth, excuse me. All right. And there you have it. You can definitely just see the difference. This one's looking kind of grungy, and this one's just definitely looking a lot nicer. So now, if you have a boot, or if you have shoes that have laces, just make sure that you take the laces out of the boot before you start cleaning them. And I also suggest maybe using like a toothbrush to kind of get into these grooves and this, the tongue of the shoe right in here. Just will help get everywhere on the shoe. So, hope that you have found this video helpful today and that your shoes are going to be extra shiny for whatever event or work, whatever you're going to. And, leave me some comments if you like what you've seen today. And definitely go on to YouTube and subscribe to our channel, Wardrobe Hackers. I'm Erin from Wardrobe Hackers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.